If you want to make map animated video like this video is for you. First open canva.com and then select video from here. So after select video, then select landscape video and then scroll down and select app. Then go to search bar and type here map video and select it. So after select, again select map video and select video duration. So here you can see, then select plane icon and then select first country and then select second country, and then you can add flag or text. I select flag and then select create video, and right now here you can see it's generating. Then select add to design, and right now you just need to resize and replace and fit to full screen. And here you can see right now this is the final result.